Dong Ding Oolong Cha. This time we have a Dong Ding Oolong tea. It's Dong Ding, Chinese, not Espanol Dong Ding. Mila, tea leaf of Dong Ding. Dong Ding Oolong tea, of course, they need rolling, and they have a roast. So they have a special roasted aroma. First, of course, warm the tea set or the tea set every time. Then we put the tea leaf of Dong Ding. This is special roasted oolong tea. Dong Ding is famous for his roast, very special roast. And do you like this pot? I love this teapot so much. Okay, after we put the tea leaf into the warm teapot, what we should do? Yes, they have a lot of aroma, special aroma of Dong Ding is from their roasting. We should enjoy this roasting aroma. Then we put the first brew, and it need hot water. High temperature is around 95 degrees. Special for the first brew, you must use the 95 degree. Then the aroma of the roasting will be more good smell. Usually we will use about around about 1 minute for the first brew. Then we can have a second brew at short time. The second brew always short time. That is very density. You can try. If you have a Dong Ding Oolong tea, please brew the tea with me together. Now we are going to first, second, third, fourth, 5. Oh, look. The color of them are same. It's very important. If you can keep the brew every time the same color. And the last is the 6th. From third brew, we can add some second for the next. Mila, oolong tea, Dong Ding Oolong Cha. The color is a little brown because it's a roast. Of course, every time we check the tea leaf before and after. It's very important. You can know that the tea is good or not good from the tea leaf. Look, this tea leaf is mean we still can brew more than 6 times. This the tea leaf is after roasting. Let's enjoy Dong Ding Oolong tea.